Telegram SMS not sending. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we were going to learn how we can fix if Telegram is not sending an SMS, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if the Telegram application is not sending you SMS, maybe you're trying to log into your account or do something like that, the very first thing I want you to do is do not try from the same tab over and over again, because you're trying to log in, it's not sending you the code. The other times what happens is that Telegram could send you the code on the other Telegram devices where your Telegram account is logged in, not directly on your phone number, so you can check your SIM card logged in. So sometimes what happens is that they don't send you the code in your phone number but directly in the devices where your Telegram account is currently logged in. So let's say my Telegram account is also logged in on my desktop, but then I want to log into another phone. Whenever I try to log into another phone, it will send the code on my desktop instead of sending it on my phone number, and you'll find the option there to switch via to the SMS tab. So that's the thing you want to check. Otherwise, all you have to do is go ahead and then long press the Telegram app icon, tap the I button here, then simply go to this option called storage, clear the cache, and also make sure to clear the data. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.